Welcome to Stoic Mind Motivation, where we dive into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and how it can help you live a life of peace, resilience, and self-mastery. I'm so glad you're here to start this journey with me, where we'll explore Stoic philosophy, share powerful Stoic quotes, and learn how to apply them to modern life for greater mental clarity and tranquility. In today's video, we're going to talk about how Stoicism can help you cultivate a peaceful, resilient mind. Whether you're just discovering Stoicism or you've been practicing it for a while, this video will give you some simple and effective tips to start incorporating Stoic principles into your life right now. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that focuses on developing virtue, wisdom, and the ability to maintain inner peace regardless of external circumstances. It teaches us how to respond to life's challenges in a calm and thoughtful way. But how does this ancient philosophy apply to us today? First, let's talk about the importance of controlling what we can and letting go of what we can't. In Stoicism, we learn to focus only on what's within our control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions. We can't control other people or the external events around us, but we can control how we respond to them. This shift in mindset helps reduce stress and anxiety because we stop trying to control everything. Instead, we accept life as it is and focus on improving our own responses. Another key Stoic principle is focusing on virtue rather than the outcome. In modern life, it's easy to get caught up in results and expectations, but the Stoics remind us that true contentment comes from doing what is right, not from achieving a certain result. By prioritizing virtue, things like wisdom, courage, and justice, we can create a life that's truly fulfilling regardless of external successes or failure. The Stoics also teach us the power of mindfulness and reflection. By regularly reflecting on our thoughts and actions, we become more self-aware and develop a greater sense of inner peace. This is especially important in today's fast-paced world where distractions are everywhere. So how can you apply these principles in your life right now? Here are 3 key Stoic practices to help you cultivate a peaceful, resilient mind. Focus on what you can control. Take a moment to reflect on the things in your life that you can control, your thoughts, actions, and reactions. Let go of the things that are out of your hands. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to be mindful of your thoughts. Reflect on your actions and how you can improve. This practice of self-awareness is key to staying calm in any situation. Embrace challenges as opportunities. The Stoics believe that challenges are an opportunity for growth. Instead of avoiding difficulties, embrace them and look for the lessons they bring. These practices may seem simple, but over time, they can have a profound effect on how you experience life. Stoicism teaches us that peace doesn't come from external circumstances, but from within ourselves. I hope this video gave you a glimpse into the power of Stoicism and how you can begin to apply these principles to live a more peaceful and resilient life. If you're ready to continue this journey with me, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll be sharing Stoic quotes, practices, and insights to help you cultivate a still, resilient mind in our fast-paced world. Remember, true peace comes from within. Stay grounded, stay present, and embrace the power of Stoic wisdom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.